Okay, the noise. Where are you? Ghosted? Oh no. Noise, what is this? Don't you want to fight? You're middle-aged like me, the noise. Give up and go home! Noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Oh, this jumping and dodging's really bad for my stress. This isn't milk! Noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Oh, I don't feel so good. What was that? Why would you play that? You want me to dance? Noise. Make some noise. What the hell, noise? Make some noise. This isn't a dance. Make sure he drinks it all. He's got to recharge his voice. He manages not so badly, but he made a lot of noise.
Ah, there's my co-star. Yep, and if you want this key, play your part. Ready, everybody? Tune into the party! Oh, here comes the noise, rearing for a confrontation. Nothing hypes up a beat done like worldwide adulation. It's been a little while, bet you can't wait to see the grand return of the noise and the 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙀 employees on MTV. In time, Italian man, we gotta set this up right. Been months, years, decades since the last time I sent this pasty pasta punk peppino through a noodle incident. That was dangerous noise, that poor man could have died. Dumb producers pulled the plug on silence because we aside. Settled down in a quiet town for a little while. Got a wife, peaceful married life, I had been beguiled. My glory days of pranks and praise were left on mute till a mysterious benefactor offered me a reboot. Are you chicken more? Come at me, noise is calling, pick a phone. Everybody, raise your voice. Got a simple choice. If you want some show and throw it, turn your CRT to MTV and keep it there. You gotta love it, I swear. You won't ever be annoyed of enjoy. And make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Wanna see Peppino Pommel? Make some noise. Oh, there goes the noise, now I'm on the attack. Doing sick turns in the kickflips and they're kicking you in the back. All the skater boys told me see you later noise. I weaponized my crashes, now I'm a gladiator noise. Relax you're gonna lose in 30 seconds or less.
We're blowing up! Look at these ratings! I still got that noise charm! Speaking of blowing up, have some bumps!
Go up, come
Ain't my goofy weapons worth a chuckle or two? They were everyone's obsession up until I met you. I had everything, man! A Project Cloud, a million fans, but you couldn't take a joke on my whole operation can! You know, this pizza crusher crushes more than pizzas around here, so how about I crush your spine like you crushed my career?
Gotcha! I won't break you like the bones are you built. Don't be wary, have some dairy.
Everybody, everybody, raise your voice. Got a simple choice. If you want some short product, turn your CRT to NTV. Keep it there, you gotta love it, I swear. You won't ever be annoyed of enjoy. And make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise.
You wanna see the fun part? Make some noise!
Just a little blend of everything my wife cooked last night. Wah, wah, wah. For the dance, of course! Everybody, everybody listen well. Got a trend to sell. If you want some sweet revenge, come and gather around the kick peppino while he's down. You're gonna love the sounds. Keep on kicking like an engine, guys. Enjoy. Make some noise.
You wanna see me end this? Make some noise!
It's been fun, Italian man. You've been awful good sportly. But all things have an end. Yours is coming very shortly. I dug up my old minigun. Remember this? I franked you good last time I used it. This time I won't miss.
Noise is time for a dinner date. We bought it months ago and I just can't wait.
Crap, that was tonight?
Don't worry, babe, it's okay. I saw you blended at dinner, so I blended yesterday.
This stream was sponsored by 𝙤𝙤𝙞𝙣𝙤𝙤
Hey kid, it's me, Peppino Spaghetti, your favorite character. Up your ass. I need you to come and help me stop Peppermint and the toys. They're up to no good again, and I need your help. Come on and open the door and step outside. Gustavo and Rick are outside in my car. You can come and meet them too. Just open your door and they're outside. You want to help me and the gang to keep the faith. Come on, kid. Just open your door and come outside. Maybe believe it. Making a big playable again, just like in the same 2019. Come on, kid. You're kind of getting on my nerves now. Open the door.
Shut the hell up, kid. Well done. Shut the hell up, kid. I'm so glorious.
Oh God!
guys finish last. Especially not by girls. It's about time we
Adventure.
I'm out of sauce.
Nah.